In just a short span of 3 years, I've built a passive income stream in the music industry, with monthly revenues reaching up to $25,000. The majority of this income comes from platforms like Spotify and other online streaming services. If I told you that I completely lack musical skills, would you believe it? And what's remarkable is that, regardless of your age, whether you're a full-time student or pursuing any other job, achieving these successes from home is entirely feasible. However, my journey has not been easy or quick. Over the past 3 years, sleepless nights, constant stress, and financial difficulties have marked my path. To achieve the current revenue, I heavily rely on artificial intelligence. Previously, my work faced challenges due to a lack of support from top AI tools like those available today. Today, you are likely much luckier than me because with the explosion of excellent AI tools, I'm confident you won't encounter as many difficulties as I did. In today's video, I'll guide you step by step on creating new songs in just a few seconds using AI tools. Afterward, I'll show you how to upload these works to Spotify and other streaming services to generate passive income. So be sure to watch the entire video and don't skip any parts. Let's conquer this together. Firstly, to get started, we'll create numerous lyric and melody songs, diverse in every music genre. I introduce you to the Suno AI Chirp tool with a link available in the video description. Click on Try the Beta, and then proceed with Discord or your Google account. After successful registration, you'll be redirected to the website interface. Here, Suno provides you with 50 free credits daily. Now, let me guide you on creating a song using AI. In the top left corner of the screen, you'll see 2 options. In the Create option, you can let the website automatically generate lyrics for you. In the Create Custom option, you upload your own lyrics. Alright, I'll demo each feature for you. I'll use the Create function first. After clicking Create, the next thing you need to do is input the song request you want. For example, I'll request a romantic love song and then click Create. Just wait a few seconds, and the website will automatically generate a song for me with 2 different versions.
Every time I see your face, my heart skips a beat. You make me feel a way that I can't even. Every time I see your face, my heart skips a beat. You make.
Not only that, it also provides the lyrics. Great! If you like a version, simply click on the 3 dots and you'll see 2 options. If you want to continue with this song, click Continue from this clip, or if you want to create another song, click Reuse this prompt. Now, just download the song to your device. You can download the video or just the song as an MP3. Now, let's try the second feature by clicking Create Custom. In this feature, to create a song, you need to provide Suno AI with your own lyrics. If you're not good at writing lyrics, you can ask Chat GPT to write lyrics for you. For example, I asked Chat GPT to write lyrics for a pop song, and it provides me with lyrics for a song. But remember, for better results, you can write a prompt like this, edit the lyrics above, and delete the punctuation, replace with brackets. Looks perfect. Now, copy the lyrics provided by Chat GPT and paste it into Suno AI. Just copy 4 to 8 lines for optimal performance. Describe the song genre as pop, then click Generate and see what we get.
In the city lights where dreams take flight, we're dancing through the streets into the neon lights. Heartbeats sing to the rhythm. In the city lights where dreams take flight, we're dancing through the streets under the neon lights. Heartbeats sing to the rhythm of the night.
I think the first one is better, so I'll continue with this clip. Copy the lyrics and paste them into Suno AI. Repeat this process until the end of the song. After completion, click on the three dots and choose Get Entire Song.
Into the streets, into the neon lights, heartbeats sing to the rhythm of the night. A symphony of colors in this dazzling delight. We're chasing shadows in the midnight glow.
Now you have a complete song, right? Now that we have songs ready for release, we need a suitable album cover. Here, AI comes to the rescue again. I use the Leonardo AI tool for this purpose. With various prompts, you can create your own album cover in seconds. Just download the image to your device. Next, use Canva to adjust the image size. Go to Canva, select Create a Design, then choose Custom Size, and select the size as 3000 by 3000 pixels. After that, upload the album cover image and finally download it as a PNG. The next step is to distribute the songs to online streaming platforms. You can't do this on your own. You need a service company to do it for you. DistroKid is an excellent choice. It's an online music distribution service that allows artists and bands to upload their music to online music platforms like Spotify, Apple Music, Amazon, Google Play, and many others. DistroKid helps independent artists release and manage their music easily and efficiently. Visit DistroKid through the link in the video description. Now, simply sign up for an account with your email or Google account. Then proceed to the payment section. If you're just starting, I recommend starting with at least the Musician Plus plan, priced at $40 per year. This allows you to release any number of songs, and they are automatically distributed to all major online streaming platforms. Sign up for DistroKid through my link and instantly save 7% on your annual subscription. Okay, you're almost there, ready to release your first songs. After successfully registering on DistroKid, go to Upload Music in the menu. Choose the services you want to distribute your music to. You can choose all, including Snapchat, because we own all the rights to the music. Next, in the Number of Songs section, choose one song. Then, select the language of the song. In the Primary Genre section, choose your music genre. And upload the song cover image. In the Song Title section, you can either set it yourself or ask Chat GPT to set it for you. Next, upload your song in MP3 format. Skip the next settings until you reach the Instruments section. Choose This Song Contains Lyrics. Then, add credit information, especially the author of the song. Since you own all commercial rights to the songs, enter your first and last name. Scroll down, confirm all options in the checkboxes, and click Done. Your first song has been uploaded and is ready for release. It will take a few days for your content to be published on Spotify and other platforms. Alright, you now have your first release. Continue creating more songs to release on platforms in a similar manner. When your songs gain monthly listeners, platforms will send copyright revenue to DistroKid, and DistroKid will pay you twice a week via your PayPal account. Moving on to the next step, let's talk about how to promote your music. There are various promotion strategies, but I want to share a simple and professional tip with you. Create your own YouTube channel and compile multiple songs into a video album, then upload them to your channel. When you have a large number of subscribers and views, you can link to your songs on Spotify in your video description. This not only creates a comprehensive music experience for viewers, but also enhances your presence on online music platforms. This strategy can yield positive results, significantly expanding your reach in just a few weeks while providing passive income with minimal investment. Try applying it and observe how it can change your music career. Now, let's discuss a bit about our excellent AI song creation tool. In the free version, you get 50 credits per day and no commercial rights. Therefore, to make money from songs created with this tool, you need to upgrade to at least the Pro plan. Team, this is our last moment in this video. Before saying goodbye, I want to hear about the unique experiences you've had applying artificial intelligence to generate income in the music field. Share your thoughts and achievements in the comments below. If you find the video helpful, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to our channel for more fantastic tutorials. Thank you all so much for accompanying us in this video. And until next time, wish you success in earning passive income with AI-generated music.